Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to build a locked personal diary app. So let's continue. Before that, if you didn't subscribe my channel, please click the subscribe button and enable the bell icon. Then you will be notified when new content uploaded. Let's set the label 6 as the selected date. So let's join the dates from the date picker. Now let's add the vertical arrangement 7. Call the CloudDB to append the value to the list names. Set the tag to names. Set item to add label 6 text. We want file component, so let's drag the file component. Okay, now call the file to save. The text to textbox 1 text and the file name to let's join the label 6 text, and you want to add an extension. You can give any extension you like, for example .abcd or anything. I am giving .mdt. Now let's set the vertical arrangement 7 visible to false and vertical arrangement 5 visible to true. Now drag the list picker after selection event. And call the file to read from. Give file name to join the list picker selection and our extension. That means the extension we give before. Okay, now let's drag the after got text event. Now hide the vertical arrangement 5 and show the vertical arrangement 8. So let's set the vertical arrangement 5 visible to false and vertical arrangement 8 visible to true. Okay. Now set the label 6 text to list picker selection. And set the label 7 text to the text from the file. Drag a button 5 click event. When button 5 click, set the vertical arrangement 8 visible to false and vertical arrangement 5 visible to true. Okay, now let's test our app. Let's set the password to password. Okay, now reopen your app. Select your date and write something in diary like nice day. Okay, let's save it. Let's check. We got it. See you next time.